कर लिया तो मतलब उनको लगता है कि वेट लॉस होगा. But what most people don't understand is that if you don't pay attention to what you are putting within you, or what goes into you, is what actually makes a big difference to your body.
I'm blinded now.
Yeah, ये आना चाहिए भाई.
Can I just say something before you start? किसी बड़े विद्वान आदमी ने कहा है किसी के बाल अच्छे हैं, किसी की स्किन अच्छी है, but here's someone जो ऊपर से नीचे in totality अच्छी है. She is not just a fashion icon, she's a fitness icon. Thank you so much, Shilpa, for doing this. Were there messages that people kept asking you, ये करना चाहिए, and you decided to do this?
Very good evening to everyone present here. A lot of you have been part of my journey, part of my success. So I have you to thank for putting me in a position where I can actually make myself of use to the universe. This really has been one of my most exciting, most passionate ventures. I don't want to really call it a venture. It is a transition. When I was young and people asked me what I wanted to be, I had no idea. When I became an actor, I thought that is what I wanted to be and that was going to be my calling. With God's grace, I got a lot from that milieu. But today, if you ask me what I want to be, I really want to be able to make a difference in people's lives. And I couldn't have done it better through this medium, through the Shilpa Shetty channel, which I'm here to launch today. This, I have discovered over the years, is my calling. And it really comes from the heart. Because the universe has given me so much, it's time for me to give back. And I thought there's no other better medium than going digitally. To be able to, for people to have access and the right kind of knowledge about health. So when people compliment me and say that, oh my God, Shilpa, how do you look like this? Or you look the same, and how do you do it? I tried writing the book and I thought that would, suffice. And then through my Instagram, I realized that people actually follow it to see what I eat, and I try to, encourage people to make that modification, that lifestyle modification. And then I realized I'll have to kind of make it bigger and magnify it. And then the idea came about with this that we are launching today. It's all encompassing. We've got 3 themes: the art of balance, the art of strengthening, and the art of loving food. Most people think that fitness is only about going to a gym or have some kind of regimen in terms of whether it be cardio or weight training or Pilates and Zumba and that's it. वो कर लिया तो मतलब उनको लगता है कि weight loss होगा. But what most people don't understand is that if you don't pay attention to what you are putting within you, or what goes into you, is what actually makes a big difference to your body, to your mental health. That needs to be focused upon. So it's 70% food and nutrition and 30% some kind of activity. It can even mean walking up the stairs, okay? But if your food is right and if you have knowledge on that, you will be able to achieve the kind of fitness you want. And I'm not talking about any kind of size. What could be fit to you may not be fit to someone else. But let me explain the meaning of fitness. Fitness is when you feel healthy, when you are able to be agile. Someone who's 104 kilos, if he can do burpees, he's fit. You know? If someone is able to, if someone is very, very fit and who can't sit down like this, he's not fit, mister. And a lot of people can't do it. People have issues going down on their haunches because we're just leading such fast-paced lives that we have no time to look inward, to think about the kind of food we're putting into our system, to read the back of labels, to take a breath of fresh air, or even chew our food. How many of you even chew your food more than 20 times? We don't. So it's kind of my way of making people realize that these are the things that should be given importance. I've embarked on this journey. I really hope I'm able to achieve. I really think I would have achieved some kind of success if I have one person coming to me and saying that, you know, Shilpa, I didn't give up because of you. So I really hope that happens with the Shilpa Shetty channel. It really comes from the heart, and I really hope all the people from the media help me achieve this dream, because this is the only thing that I don't want to make money out of. I really mean it. I really mean that from the bottom of my heart. I know eventually everything makes money and all of that, but I really hope to see a healthier universe. And I don't want to restrict it to just saying India. I think it's everyone's inalienable right to be healthy and to have the right kind of knowledge. It's quite scary, the kind of knowledge that is out there sometimes. Most of the websites that I open, I want to shut immediately because it's quite disorienting. So for someone who can't afford a gym, who can't afford a nutritionist, who doesn't have the time after looking after her family and her child to go to, to go to a place and work out, you can actually just log on, whether it be my website, whether it be YouTube, and it's all accessible on the phone. I've just made it easy, and I've kept it simple, and I really hope this is going to be possible. I think I've said it all, so you don't need to ask me any questions.
No. There's someone else also who embodies all the things that you just mentioned. So I think I should just step back and let you introduce this very special gentleman who's also here today.
So when I thought of launching this baby of mine, I thought, who should I call who actually would be synonymous with my philosophy, with this channel, with how people should actually aim to be. And I want to just tell you something about the gentleman who's going to join us. He's not coming in the capacity of him being a star, that he is. He's someone I have respect for, because I remember I live on the beach, and there was a time when I used to wake up at 6 in the morning, and I used to see this boy alone on the beach right in front of my house, doing martial arts, doing these somersaults, and doing it alone. And then sometimes I would take my dog for a walk and I'd do a double take, and he had curly hair at that time. And I'd be, who is this guy? Isn't he the same guy that I'd see in the morning? तो 6 बजे सुबह हो या 6 बजे रात को मैंने इस बच्चे को देखा है. मैं उसको बच्चा ही बुला रही हूँ because I've really seen him from such a young age, and this is before he became an actor. He leads his life with a lot of discipline, which I'm trying to explain to people that in life, if you want to reach a certain place, a certain kind of fitness, body or whatever, you have to put in a bit of hard work. There has to be a discipline. And this is what this actor has. He truly is an inspiration. I call him the true tiger of the fitness jungle. The true tiger in this fitness jungle. Let's invite on stage the superhero who my son is a huge, huge fan of, Tiger Shroff.
That's the flying jut, ladies and gentlemen. Louder applause, yeah, come on. Let's not be like a miser today. Tiger, take the mic.
Thank you. Hi. Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you, Shilpa ma'am, for thinking I'm worthy of standing by you and, talking about the ideals of fitness and talking about how fitness is such a holistic term. When like Shilpa ma'am rightly said, I mean, I don't even know why I'm talking. She said it so perfectly. There's so much more to fitness than just going to a gym. There's so many aspects to it. But yeah, would you like me to
Tell
say
us,
something?
I want you